Hey guys, hi YouTube. So welcome back. I do wear glasses. I hope you guys know that. I really wear glasses on video because I can't really. I hate the glare. And I have these t-shirts, you know, the Fruit of the Loom, like 5-pack t-shirts. These have really been a lifesaver being at home. Yeah, I just wear them with shorts, and yeah, it's so easy. So I have a haul for you guys. And there's like maybe 2 more hauls to come. I'm still waiting for my stuff to arrive. I have some things from Avenue, Torrid, Boohoo, I believe. And I'm still waiting for those. So I'll do a haul then. But everything that I got this week is behind me. So I'm going to show you guys. I don't know if I'm going to do a try on portion because I'm really tired. I just got home. Hubby and mom-in-law went with our son to work, so I got a break today, so I was like cruising the malls. Yeah, you guys, I have an obsession with clothes. I love clothes. Like, if money wasn't, like, budgeting was an issue, I would be buying clothes every day. I just love it. Anyway, I mean, and being a plus size fashion person on YouTube, kind of like, it kind of doesn't help that. But anyway, that's not what this is about. This is a haul. So I was walking through Target. I was trying to get some stuff for my son, and I ended up with this set. Now, this set is slightly a little bit tight, but I know if I return it, I probably won't find the size that I need. So I'm just like, should I return it? Should I not return it? So it's a jogger sweatshirt set. So these are the pants right here. They're really soft. I'm 5'10". They hit like the ankle, and then they have the top. They were all separate at $20 a piece. And this really was perfect because I didn't show you guys yet, but my hubby got me some Uggs, and I was really trying to match this, you know, on top of just wearing like jeans and stuff like that. I wanted something that could go well with this, and that was perfect when I saw it. But it's a little bit tight. It's a little bit tight. I'm giving a lot of like squishness, and I don't know how I feel. Like, I almost want to return it, but I'm just like, it's so cute. You know, it shows the right area. You know, when you're a woman of a particular age, you know, crop tops are not the thing. But you can have a crop top that's kind of balanced out because the sweatshirts are high-waisted, so they fit really well. Yeah, so I'm thinking about it. I really, really love it, but it's just a little bit tight. Like, I would have to lose like 4 pounds in 1 week to wear it, and I don't like that. I don't like to put myself under pressure like that. I like to get things that fit. Okay, the next thing that I got is a bit oversized, but it really, really works, and it's so cute on. If you guys saw my post on Instagram when I took my son to Lego, I wore this. And it's just a basic jean jacket, but it was on sale on Forever 21 for $20 from $40. So I was so excited. I ordered it. It arrived like so fast. But it's just a jean jacket. It has like rips on it. It fits really well. It has deep pockets. It's loose. So I really, really love it. So today, as I was doing my stroll at the mall, I dropped by Jcpenney. Don't sleep on Jcpenney because they have really, really trendy pieces, really nice basics. And you have to really look, and you'll find really cute stuff there. So I always go there for like basic t-shirts because they're long enough. Really great leggings and stuff like that. So I always drop by there. So I got this. And also another trick, guys, is to always shop off season. So now that it's almost winter, all the summer stuff are on sale. So that's what I've been doing. I've been picking up things that I know will work next year for me for summer, or the ones that can work now. I just had like a sweater, a jacket, or whatever. So I found this, just a basic V-neck sleeveless t-shirt, but it's really long, and it goes well with just about all the cardigans that I have. So I was really excited about it. The next area, another one that I got is so cute. This is going to be so good in the summer, but I'm wearing it now too. I have a cardigan this color, and it's going to be so cute with it. Is a peplum t-shirt. No, a peplum top. So yeah, it's so cute. Jean jacket, cardigan, put them with shorts, pants, high-waisted leggings, you know, a long cardigan. You got a whole outfit. Yeah. I don't know how I look, guys. I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired. Anyway, okay, the 2 things that I got was I had to drop by Ross because Ross is my baby. Like, that's my place to go when I'm just like, okay, I got like $40, you know, let me go see what they have. And I was so excited because I found this jacket, another jean jacket. So I have like 3 total jean jackets that are different shades. So I have the white one, I have this lighter one, and then I have another one that's darker, so they can all go with everything. So this one right here, another jean jacket with a lot of like rips in it. It fits so well, it's so comfy, the pockets are deep, because I've been really searching for it. I bought so many different denim jackets and they're never quite right. I have bigger arms, and I've noticed that a lot of times it never feels right. The sleeves are always too short, they're tight, sometimes they don't button really that well, or sometimes the stretch is not that much, and it's just like I can never find the right jean jacket. So finally I've been able to do that, and I'm so happy about it. Like, these fit really well. The last thing that I got was this basic, it's a basic t-shirt, but what's cool about it is it says howdy, which is not the main thing, but it's this color, because I have pants, I have like a lot of stuff that can go with this as well. That's really important to me, guys. Like, I'm buying things that always work with everything else in my closet. I no longer buy things because I'm just excited, because then I get stuck with them, and later on I'm like, I can't wear that. What am I gonna wear with it? So yeah, I'm rambling today. So yeah, this is the last piece right here. It says howdy, but what I really like was the detail here. It's like open, so it's really, really cute. Yeah, it's really cute with that jean jacket and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I need to go eat something. I don't think I'm gonna do a try on portion. I'm too tired. I don't know. Anyways, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys later.